Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do a real quick video on a crazy story that we had happen recently. We had a restoration company call us about a year ago now, and they said, hey, look, we've got this homeowner who was renting out a space, and the tenant, when they moved out, they did a bunch of stuff to the heating and air system. And we had no idea what it was at first. So we went there, and what we ended up finding out is the tenant had dumped a bunch of fish guts and squid into the ductwork. We're not talking about like they took a 5-gallon bucket and just kind of poured a little bit into each vent. We're talking like gallons of this stuff. Once we cut the ductwork loose, it was just pouring out and it was crazy. The whole place smelled awful. The reason I wanted to do a video on it is not just because of how crazy that was and the experience that we had dealing with that, but now here we are almost a year later, and now law enforcement has gotten involved and they've contacted us. One of my guys may or may not have to testify. I don't know. I don't really know all the ins and outs yet, but I do know that the attorney for the county called us and they wanted a statement. They wanted to ask some questions. And it was just nuts. I guess the moral of the story is if you're renting from someone and you're mad, you may not want to vandalize the place or the heating and air system on your way out. I don't know what's going to happen, but usually when there's courts involved, it's pretty serious. I thought that was just crazy. I can't imagine it helping, but if you watched this and it helped you, then great. I'm glad it helped. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.